Hi guys, today I show you. Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, today I show you how to transfer the data from iPhone to Android. This one iPhone 17 Pro Max and this one Honor X9D. So I will transfer the data from iPhone to Honor. Now I will show you how can transfer the data. Oh, printers now. Now I will start the data. I will show you all step. I show you all step, each and everything. If you want to transfer the data, you can transfer yourself at home. This way is very easy. Now I will start. Now I open WhatsApp. Okay, I go to setting. After I go to chat. Now you go to setting. This is the setting. Okay. This is the setting. After go to chat. Okay. Now see transfer chat history. Click this one. See transfer to iPhone. Transfer to Android. So I want to transfer to Android. See this is our Android phone. Okay. So we select. Here we select transfer to Android. Okay, now we selected already. They're preparing. See, it's very fast. It's done. Continue. Okay, now just we need to scan the QR. We open here. Okay, open the lock. WhatsApp. Agree. Allow. Zero. Okay, see, scan QR code with the old phone. This one 17 Pro Max hour. Okay, so now I scan. See, scan already. They're showing, you can see. WhatsApp want to join Wi-Fi network directly. WhatsApp. See, so I will select join. After the chat will be automatically transfer iPhone to Android. Now see, I will select join. Okay. See, it's very fast. 81, 82. They have only 2 GB chat, so that's why they're going very fast. 399. See. Done. Now we select transfer completed. Okay, see. We press next. Its name. Next. Okay. Video using cellular. Now we selected for the Gmail backup because later automatically backup will be start. Continue. It's done. Now we show you the chat. All chat come or no? Yes, he come already. Let's go. We select this one. All come. Okay, we select this chat. See. See. All chat come already. See. It's already come. Now we open this one. This one also we can check have all chat all or no. Yeah. See, all chat come already. See, all chat come already. So it's done, completed. See guys. See, I show you. See. So we transfer. Before chat in 17 Pro Max. Now the all chat coming Honor X9D. I show you the model also. See, it's latest model Honor X9D. I open setting. See, Honor X9D. It's done already. Thanks for watching.